physicians today in your 1-minute physician vitality session. We're talking about how you can stay on track with your nutrition when you're traveling for work conferences. Number one, Google map your location. Click in the little search bar there on the left side of your screen. Type in healthy food or healthy grocery store if you got a mini fridge. You'll come up with a number of options that'll be right around your hotel where you're staying at. Just because something pops up on healthy food or healthy grocery store doesn't mean it's healthy. So it's gonna be on you to make sure that you're researching the menu or what they have at the grocery store available to you and making the right choices that are aligned with your goals. Number two, make sure you pack protein-rich options to stash in your carry-on or your luggage. If you're looking for a quick midday snack, this can be a complete game changer, especially when there's plenty of options around you. Number three, if you're going to dinner with colleagues, check the menu of the restaurant that you guys are going to before you actually leave. Narrow your choices down to 2 different items on the menu. You can make the healthy option choice before you go, and you can modify it. The point I'm gonna bring up in number 4 might allow you to have a little bit of flexibility so that you can enjoy a drink or two and still stay on track. And that 4th strategy is implement intermittent fasting. Personally, I use this every time I travel. It's because it allows that flexibility with dinner. When I'm home, the majority of nights I have dinner planned, but when I'm traveling, I like to not have to really think about it too much, and I like to enjoy myself, and I like to have new experiences in places I've never been, or places that I just don't go to very often. So by limiting the time that I consume food throughout the day, this just allows me a little bit more flexibility. I still stick to protein-rich options, makes traveling way less stressful, and I stay on track.